While camping alone in the heart of the deep woods, a hiker named Mike experienced an eerie encounter. One night, as he sat by his dying fire, a strange, low hum resonated through the forest. The sound was unlike anything he had ever heard, an almost mechanical drone that seemed to pulse with an unnatural rhythm. It grew louder, echoing ominously as the trees seemed to close in around him. Fear started creeping in, and Mike couldn't shake the feeling that he was being watched. His instincts screamed for survival, and without looking back, he packed up and fled, leaving the unsettling sound behind.